Hello everyone, and I'm going on Movie Star Planet again as normal. And on my last video, I freaking found out how cringy I am. And I'm just going to do something simple today. I'm just going to be answering your messages and stuff, even though I literally have no one to talk to. Search up. Oh my gosh, this. It's really creepy. You guys can search it up yourself. I don't know why, but one of my friends, I don't know who was it. It was my neighbour. I'm not going to say her name right now because she probably doesn't want to. She told me. She was literally, I don't know why, but she randomly searched up this, the first word, and then she just found that. I don't know, she has problems. Oh my gosh, sorry, Brooke. Okay, I'm just not gonna mention Amelia because maybe. Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm an idiot. Okay. So I thought he was Spanish, but the poor guy, he just had a Spanish account and you just use Google Translate. I know how you feel. I did that in Greece. So basically, I went up to someone and then I had one of our friends with us, and they have a tiny child, and then the child just bumped into the table randomly, and I was like, sorry, in the Greek language, and they were like, that's okay. I think they said that's okay, and they were like, blah 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 blah. I was like, what the hell? I actually said what the hell, and they were like, huh? Oh my gosh, I have no idea what people say in other languages. I literally have no clue. No clue. Why the hell did I just do that? I have freaking no idea why I just did that. I just went out of it. Okay, guys. I really don't know what to do. But on my next one, I'm going to do mail time. Because, I don't know, I just like gifts. I don't know. But I think Rare Week's coming up on, is it well, I thought Rare Week was already on, because on Movie Star Planet, oh shit, I don't want to do that. On Movie Star Planet, I literally never been on it before, that much. I have been on it, but not that much. So I thought I missed Rare Week, and I was so bummed. Right. What the hell should we do? Okay, I'm gonna dump Chris again. Poor boy. What the hell happened to Chan? What the heck? You made yourself enormous when he literally came the second day of you. That creeped me out oh my god. Chan, you I'm just going to dump him again and just go mess around. He doesn't care. He says dump me if you want, and I just don't really care about him, so I just do it. He's not really sweet though. Okay, going to the chat. And we're going to go to the bench. I feel like I'm about to die right now when I go into this chat room. It's freaking... look at... Oh my god. Are you serious? Please. Please wear some clothes. Please. Are you serious? Oh my god. You're gonna make me cry right now. Oh my gosh. Right. I'm gonna mess around a little bit. Don't say I'm trolling. Well, EVG. Hey! I'm such an idiot. Probably everyone knows that. Ooh, Ghost Tom. Yeah, I'm not going to add him because I just don't want News to be my friend. And I don't even freaking know him because, yeah. Ooh, that pet's I can stand on that poor thing. Stitch, more like level 1. It's actually level 5. The little whittle thingy. Yeah, I can't believe I just said thingy. That just sounds really. Oh my god. I have this girl in my class called Evie, and she's like always over there. So when I say something, she's like, what? Literally all day long, she's like, what? And yeah, it's really annoying. And when I see a little girl saying what, I just want to. Where's she gone? Where's that scandal gone? God, why did she choose that nose? Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's not your fault in reality. By then evil. Learn how to spell first and then call me evil. And then put some plastic surgery on your boyfriend. Oh my god. Okay, high 90s. Hey, it's not my fault I have that username. I did it on a random wheel thing. And it just came out this shit, whatever the hell it is. Hi. Ew. I'm gonna be like so diva-ish that she's gonna explode and shut up for a minute. Thank you very much, Evie G. Oh god. That is, oh god. That name is really. At least she didn't do it on a random wheel. I'd give it to that. But right now, nah. I'm just gonna go because I'm about to throw up. The only chat room that actually has some proper people in it is the mall. Because, like, the other people, this blur. It's just horrifying, man. It's disgusting. Just put some clothes on. That Evie G girl. Seriously. If they come to the beach, at least put like a jacket on. You don't want to be like raw, naked. Seriously. Okay. And now we're going to go on. Oh yeah, by the way, there's like a weird thing that some people do. I don't know why the hell they do it. It's so funny, but I feel so sorry for her because everyone blocks her. And then she's like, why did everyone block me? You unblocked the toilet. So like, if you unblock her, you're like, you unblocked the toilet, or you blocked the toilet. Everyone's getting the vibe from her. I just feel like the toilet got so bad shoes. You have no shoes on, hon. Oh my gosh, why do I have tongue twisters every day? Never mind. You have no shoes on, honey. Stop lying to us, you scandal. You know my tongue, these couple of days, they just twist in knots. Seriously, like, when I'm talking. Bleh. The bleh. Bleh. Meh. The. Wow. I don't really know what I'm saying myself, but I can count on you guys to guess what I'm saying, you know. It's probably not going to help, but yeah. Okay, so what I was going to do is on the rares, I'm going to show you rares that are actually in the shops right now, because I cannot freaking wait for Rare Week. I'm not patient, I'm telling you guys. I ain't patient. Oh yeah, wait, sorry. I totally have to interpret this. Sorry. Okay, so this is good as a Gucci top, because I literally love Gucci. I love the colours. The true colours. So I do this. Well, you have to do this. Otherwise it's not going to work out, hon. What you do is make all of this white. That's grey. And then make, no, it's not that one. This might take a while, just warning you. Yeah, it's this one. And then you make this one red. Yeah, perfect. And then you make the two upper ones like good. What colour is it? A bit. No. 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 Yay. Is it? Yeah, okay, good. And you make this one the same colour. If I'm actually clever and I find it for once. Yay! That's a messed up Gucci top. Okay, that's like good enough for me. Well, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And then you make the fur coat white. And it's all smexy, you know? Yeah. It's all smexy. I look really weird right now. Okay, now we're actually going to do something great right now. Just, you know, education. Spending your life on Movie Star Planet. Isn't that the best thing to do in your whole life, isn't it? No, little children don't do that. Otherwise you'll have problems. Okay, so, we're just gonna... So, this is gonna take about 87 days, because you know how slow I am and I'm not patient. And I just keep clicking and clicking. I'm so sorry about this, guys. You keep going, and you keep going, and you keep going, until you keep going. It's page till you keep going. No, it isn't. Hurry up. You know the pants, they are freaking horrible. And you probably already know the shoes, but the tops are like the best so far. They're quite good. They're good rares and stuff. They're not ultra, obviously, but they're good. You find them on rare weeks sometimes, you know. So, number one, you sometimes, I think it was a rare week 2015 that they had this, I think. And then they had this 2016. Oh, no, they didn't have that, didn't they? Did they? No. Okay. And then they had that, 2017. So did they have this. So the best ones are on page 232. Okay, guys, 232. So you have the American thing and the thing. Okay, whatever. Bye, guys. I'm literally peeing at myself. Okay, bye. See you guys whenever. I don't know what the hell. Bye. Bye.